Out here at Briery Branch in western Rockingham County, and you can see a clear debris line and dusty leaf layer along the trees here from the flooding that happened during Helene. It's clear as day along the foliage. Really helps, as you can see, different trees but the same line of dirt layered around the lake. You can even see where it reached the parking lot over here and stopped just as it got to the top of the dam, but maybe a couple feet to spare. Pretty clear and obvious debris line around the lake, specifically on the dam where logs were washed up and deposited. Shows just how high the water was and how close it was to breaching the dam.